Yeah. Original jerk chicken with dumplings. So hungry.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi guys, morning. It's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Look, this is a different setting in the bathroom, just like back home. But this is my home. This is Jamaica. Oh, I couldn't even sleep last night. But I'm still tired. But I'm still on the England time. But I've got a little errand to do today. I've got to tidy up my house and stuff like that. And then I've got to run into the town. And my town is called Morant Bay. I might take you with me. So I'll see you later. In my videos, don't expect the hotel lifestyle. Because in my videos, I'm an authentic Jamaican girl, a natural one. Where you get all of the countryside, the best food, the best places, bush and everything. Yo, no hotel for me. I'll show you the real deal thing in Jamaica, like the yard style. Morning guys. It's day 2 of my holiday. Listen, I didn't vlog a lot. Adjusting to this time is crazy. I'm so tired. I've just been sleeping. But let me show you a little bit of my view of where I live. It's bare bush, but come and have a look. Oh, that's the moon.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.
Look guys, it's raining. It is a rainy day in Jamaica, but the weather is still hot. It's just wet and nasty.
Try your best just to make it quick. Try your best just to make it quick.
Turn up the sound, must and compound and not if rasta about my you have to take the hand, get a home. Have been wanting them for a long time.
See